Would you believe that the person in the picture is not a real person? The site is the creation of Philip Wang, a software engineer at Uber, and uses research released last year by chip designer NVIDIA to create an endless stream of fake portraits. The algorithm behind it is trained on a huge data set of real images, then uses a type of neural network known as a generative adversarial network, or GAN, to fabricate new examples. Each time you refresh the site, the network will generate a new facial image from scratch, wrote Wang in a Facebook post. He added in a statement to Motherboard, "Most people do not understand how good AIs will be at synthesizing images in the future." The underlying AI framework powering the site was originally invented by a researcher named Ian Goodfellow. NVIDIA's take on the algorithm, named StyleGAN, was made open source recently and has proven to be incredibly flexible. Although this version of the model is trained to generate human faces, it can, in theory, mimic any source. Researchers are already experimenting with other targets, including anime characters, fonts, and graffiti. It's the same method that creates deepfakes, or computer-generated images superimposed on existing pictures or videos, and which are often used to push fake news narratives or other hoaxes. And while Wang is fascinated by the innovation it will bring across many businesses, he also wants people to be more aware of the potential damage it could cause. As an example, a nefarious actor could spread a GAN-generated video or image depicting a bogus event to incite riots, protests, or other potentially violent reactions online. Since the process is all automated, all someone would need would be access to an array of graphics processing units, GPUs, or graphics cards, which power machine learning, and a data set of images to begin cranking out fakes like clockwork. In the longer term, while StyleGANs are capable of creating still images of people who never existed, making these images speak and move naturally is only a couple of steps beyond that. Fortunately, Wang notes that simply being informed about GANs will make people less susceptible to being fooled by them. Heightened awareness will make it easier for us all to enjoy the improvements to 3D graphics and medicine StyleGANs will likely bring about. I just hope my demonstration raises awareness. Those who are unaware are most vulnerable to this technology, said Wang. On the flip side, AI truly will bring a lot of good to this world.